Hello students, we have this question. A wet porous substance in the open air loses its moisture at the rate proportional to the moisture content. Okay, moisture content. If a sheet of hung is wind lose half its moisture during the first hour, then the time when it would have lost 99.9% of its moisture is, or when the weather condition is remaining same. Okay, now how to solve this? The first let M be the moisture content, M be the moisture content at time t, at time t. So it is written what moisture content is proportional, losses of moisture is rate proportional to the moisture content. So you can write here dm upon dt is proportional to m. Okay, now here it is what it is losing, that means it will be what dm negative sign is equal to k m. So when we do, you can write by variable separable method dm upon m is equal to minus k dt. Now integrate both sides, so it will be what ln m is equal to minus k t plus c. This is your equation 1. Now we'll find value of c and t. So at initially t equal to 0. Okay, let m equal to m0. So what will come? Ln m is equal to 0 plus c. So m equal to m0, let put here. When you put here ln m equal to minus kt plus ln m0, transfer this side to ln m minus m0, so it will be what? Ln m upon m0 is equal to minus kt. Okay, now case 2 is given what? After 1 hour it loses the half of its moisture. So after 1 hour t equal to 1, m will be what now? M is equal to half of m0. So put here ln half of m0 upon m0 is equal to minus k by time is 1 hour. So t will be 1. So m0 cancel, it will come minus ln 1 by 2 equal to k. So when you take that power upside, 2 power minus 1 is equal to k. Minus 1 will come here, so ln 2 is coming, value of k is coming ln 2. Now put in main equation, so you will get your ln m upon m0 is equal to minus k value is now ln 2. Okay, in equation 2 we are putting this, k value is minus ln 2 dot t. Okay, now they are saying what? In last 0.1%, 99.9% are losses. That means what? Your m is equal to what? Point in last 0.1% will be remaining. That means you can write what? 0.1 by 100 or 1 upon 1000 of m0. 0.1% of m0 is remaining. Now put in equation 2 here. So what you'll get? Ln 1 upon 1000 m0 upon m0 is equal to minus ln 2 dot t. So it will cancel. So it will come here ln 10 power minus 3 is equal to minus ln 2 dot t. Minus minus cancel. So it will be minus 3 ln 10 is equal to minus 2 minus ln 2 dot t. So minus minus cancel. What we'll get now? Time t is equal to coming 3 ln 10 upon ln 2. So it is base of e. That's why ln 10 value is not 1 here. It will be what? 2.3. Okay, you all know how to change the value of log 10 base to e base. Multiply with 2.303, or log 2 value with 10 base is 0.3010, but when you multiply with 2.3 you'll get 0.69. Okay, so simplify this, it will be what, 6.9 upon 0.69. So when you cancel out, you'll get approx time 10 hour. So you can see your option. Okay, so it will take more than approximately 10 hours. Okay, thank you students.